Hello friends, I am Dr. Chitra Kamath from KJ Somaiya College of Science and Commerce. Today we will discuss a few basic aspects of stereoisomers. Now, in organic chemistry, isomers are different compounds with same molecular formula. There are two types of isomers. One is the constitutional isomer and another one is the stereoisomer. Constitutional isomers have different IUPAC names. They may or may not have different functional groups. They are different, they differ in their chemical and physical properties. Stereoisomers have identical IUPAC names. They have the same functional groups. They have very close physical properties. They have identical chemical properties. They differ in the way in which atoms or groups are arranged in space. Stereoisomers are of two types, optical isomers and geometrical isomers. Let us move on to constitutional isomers. You have two examples here. In the first case, the molecular formula is C6H14. However, you can see that the point of attachment of methyl group is different, or in one case or in two cases there are two methyl groups. However, the molecular formula remains the same. In the second example, the molecular formula is C2H6O for both the compounds. However, the functional groups are different. One is an alcohol, the second one is an ether. Now let us see the stereoisomers. Optical isomers are non-superimposable mirror images of each other. And diastereomers are those stereoisomers which are not related to each other as object and mirror image. Now, geometrical isomers are the second type of stereoisomers. They are also referred to as cis and trans isomers. The first example is that of an alkene, where the two methyl groups are on the same side of the double bond or on the opposite side of the double bond. When they are on the same side of the double bond, they are referred to as cis isomers. And when they are on the opposite side of the double bond, they are referred to as the trans isomers. In the second case, that is in the example of 1,2-dimethyl cyclohexane, the two CH3s are on the opposite side of the ring or on the same side of the ring. When they are on the opposite side of the ring, it is referred to as the trans isomer. When the two CH3 groups are on the same side of the ring, it is referred to as the cis isomer. Now, the presence of the double bond or the presence of a ring prevents the rotation, and cis does not convert to trans, or trans cannot get converted to cis. I hope you have understood a small part of the stereoisomers in organic chemistry. Thank you very much.